Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the first images leaked of the new Razr Divine. Now, the Motorola company actually started the clamshell form factor in the early 2000s, which was actually a killing in the overall mobile department. It's reported that the new spectacle of a device will be released with the Snapdragon 710, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes, and another version 6 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes internal storage. On the leak website say that the battery cell will be a 2730 milliamp hour battery. Now the funny thing is that the Motorola Razr will be exclusive to supposedly the Verizon company. Yet there is little word of the device being sold anywhere outside of the US right now moving forward. But we actually can look forward to seeing this device being announced in November 13th in the press event in Los Angeles. Now, I'm honestly really excited, and I definitely get really happy and really pumped when I see these new form factors and reinvented technologies. But tell me what you guys think down below in the comment section. Always hit the like button if you found it helpful, and I'll check you guys on the next video. Later, crew. Peace.